wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West, I'm Olivia. Welcome back to Dream Again. This is a special episode of Olivia's Place. Welcome to my diner. In my diner, we have the finest foods. We bring freshly imported produce from China, Japan, Malaysia. We like our customers to have the very, very best. Today, in Olivia's Diner, we will teach you how to make a fine fried egg. Yes. Okay, first off, we will take and... That's okay, we need the spatula. We will open our pan, and then we will take and crack an egg. And look, that's right. It is a perfect sunny side up egg. Now, let's turn on our burner. Ooh, be careful, because cooking is hot stuff. That smells so good. Yum. I hope that my diner is very, very busy today. Okay, well guys, what else would we like to cook in Olivia's kitchen? I will start out by washing some fruits and vegetables. Right here we have a lovely eggplant. Oh, hello sir. Hold on. Let me turn down this burner. Hello sir.
Hi, Chef Olivia.
Hi, how may I help you?
Well, I'm kind of hungry and I heard that Chef Olivia's cooking something.
Yeah, I am making the finest eggs. Here, hold on. Let me get you a fresh egg. It is sunny side up. Put it on your plate. Oh, and let me get you some utensils. Here, you can eat it with...
Chef Olivia?
Yeah?
I don't want an egg.
But it's a really good egg. Look, it's sunny side up.
I'm sure it's really, really delicious,
yeah?
But I came here for something else.
Oh, have you looked at our menu?
Can you guess what I want?
Do you want a hamburger?
Yeah!
Yeah. Oh, okay. Hold on 1 second. I have a freshly made hamburger right over here.
I guess I can take this one off now.
I think you should leave it on. That hat's awesome. Let's see. And here is a hamburger.
I'm getting a hamburger. Yum, yum, yum.
And I'll put it... I'm going to move the egg off your plate then. Hold on.
Okay.
Let me put the hamburger down. And I'm going to move the egg. And there you go. There is a hamburger.
Oh.
Would you like anything to go with your hamburger?
Can I also...
I could make you... Would you like some cooked carrots? Or some corn on the cob?
Corn on the cob.
Yeah.
That sounds delicious.
Okay, let me make some corn on the cob.
Can I start eating my burger?
Yeah. Eat your hamburger. Don't let it get cold. I'm going to put the corn on the cob in this big pot, and then we're going to boil it up.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, isn't that neat? That's how it boils. And look, Noah. Look, if you move the pan, but only if you have pot holders. You move the pan, look, it glows red. Whoa. Yeah, isn't that cool?
That's pretty
cool. And
cool.
look. Wait, watch. I can make it brighter red, too. See how bright it is?
Wow.
Yeah. That's the brightest. And then, okay, your corn on the cob is ready.
Okay, I ate the hamburger already, so I'm kind of still hungry.
Good. Here is your corn on the cob.
Thank you.
Would you like any butter or fish or anything?
I eat it like this.
Okay, yum. Is that good corn on the cob?
Yeah, that's very delicious.
Oh, good. Oh, wait. Oh, that was my oven. My oven just went off.
Oh, I wonder what... I'm still hungry.
Are you still hungry? Do you have a big appetite?
I have a huge appetite.
Is your appetite this big?
Pizza!
pizza. Yeah, I was making that special for you. Oh, wow. Yeah, look at you eating all that pizza. You must be really hungry. Roar.
Yeah.
Wow. That's a really tasty pizza, huh? It's got vegetables on it, and it's got some sausage and some onions and some peppers. All sorts of stuff. Ooh. Yum. Wow, I can't believe you ate that whole pizza.
Oh,
wow.
That was delicious. I love your pizza.
Thank you. Is your tummy okay, or was that too much food?
No, I want more. I'm still hungry.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm going to make you now because you had your pizza and you had your hamburgers. And your corn. I'm going to make you some vegetables.
Okay.
Okay.
I love vegetables.
Oh, good. We're going to do...
Kids, remember always to eat your veggies.
Yeah, we're going to do some corn, and we're going to do some cabbage like this, right? Cabbage. Put it in there. And let's also put it on the oven. Put it on the stove. And should we boil it up?
Yeah, what are you making?
I'm making stir-fried vegetables.
Stir-fried vegetables?
Yeah.
Yum, those are my favorite.
Yeah, it's delicious. It's an Asian dish.
Yeah.
Oh.
With a little bit of soya sauce, right?
Yeah, I like soy sauce in it too, yeah. And then sometimes I make it with rice, but today I didn't make the rice.
Okay,
Do you want the rice, or are you okay without rice?
I'm okay without
Yeah,
rice.
it's mostly just the vegetables. And let me grab, I'm going to grab my little spatula from up here, and let's stir it.
Wow, Olivia's place is like so much good food.
Thanks. We try really, really hard. We like to keep a fresh menu.
Yeah.
We like all sorts of vegetables and fruits.
That's really, really, really delicious.
Oh, it looks like it's ready.
Oh, is it done?
Yeah, this is a really big one, so be careful not to touch the pan. We just serve it in a pan. Yep. Ooh. Yeah, that's the cooked carrot. Yeah. Do you like it?
That was really good.
Yeah, yum, 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 yum.
Ooh, and this is cabbage.
Oh, good. I'm glad that you like that too. Cabbage is very healthy. I'm going to take this cup.
Here, I'll give you the pan back again because, you know what, Olivia?
Yeah?
I'm still hungry.
You're still hungry? Okay.
Do you have anything fishy?
I do. I'm going to also, would you like some tea to drink?
Oh, sure. I'll take some tea.
Okay. Here, hold on. Let me.
Yeah, I'm really thirsty. All of this food makes me thirsty.
I'm pouring in the tea. And there is your teacup. I hope you like it. It's black tea. Do you like black tea? Or with a little sweetener? Oh, yep, you like black tea. Okay.
Yeah, can I have some more?
More tea? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but I want some fish.
Okay, there's your tea.
Thank you.
I'm going to get the fish. Oh, can I make you fish and shrimp or just fish?
Fish and shrimp?
Okay.
You got fish and shrimp?
Yeah.
You got shrimp?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fish and shrimp. And also, on the side, I'm going to make the fish and shrimp first. And then on the side, I'm going to make some broccoli.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay. Oh, that was thunder. Okay, fish and shrimp. Oh, and the broccoli, I'm just going to make it only just steamed. So I'm just going to steam it above this.
Okay.
Ooh, steam the broccoli. Oh, let me grab another plate. I think your plate's dirty now.
It looks so good.
Thank you. Here's your broccoli to start with. There's your broccoli to start with. And I'm going to move this other plate. Okay, you got it? And let's turn this off. Whoop.
Oh, finish my broccoli.
Yay! And now here, there's your fish and your shrimp.
Look, kids, it's fish.
Yeah, it's a real fish. Yeah, you can eat it. Do you guys know that you can actually eat the whole fish, even the head? Yeah, it's, they do it in China.
I just ate it.
Probably other, yeah, it's delicious, huh?
Yeah.
Yep.
But I'm not gonna eat the head of the shrimp.
No, there's like eyeballs and stuff on the heads of the shrimp. I think you can eat it too, actually, but I don't. Oh!
That was delicious.
Are you still hungry though? I have more food.
I think I'm ready for dessert.
Okay. Can I show you this food anyways?
Sure.
And then we'll make it next time.
Okay.
This is our crab.
Here, I'll show it to you.
Yeah, thank you. He's a fun one. That's
Wow.
Krabby the crab.
Krabby the Crab.
Yeah, Krabby the Crab.
Okay, well, we'll keep that for next time.
All right, so I'm gonna make you some dessert. So I'm gonna come over here to my churner.
Yeah, I want some dessert.
And I'm gonna churn.
I wonder what the specialty is today.
Churn. And ta-da!
Ice cream!
Yeah, it's fresh homemade ice cream. I churned it myself.
This is so delicious. I can tell it's your homemade.
Thank
because
you.
it tastes so yummy. It's so soft and creamy.
Yeah.
And,
Wow.
Bleh.
Oh, excuse you.
Sorry.
That's okay.
But it was so good, the food.
Thank you.
Wow, this is the best food I've ever eaten.
Ooh, yay. I'm so happy to hear it. Will you tell all your friends about Olivia's Diner?
Of course I will.
Yay, thank
And then
you.
maybe next time I can have the pasta.
Yes, the pasta is actually our specialty.
Yeah, and I love pasta.
Yeah, pasta is really, really good.
But next time.
Yep,
I
next
think
time.
I've had too much now.
Okay,
I'm
maybe.
gonna rest up.
Yeah, you should go. Whoa, I think
That
it might
scared
be
me.
raining outside. Yeah, that was very surprising to me too.
That
Yeah.
scared me a lot.
Me too. I think it's time for my diner to close for the day.
Okay.
Yeah,
Then-
and you could go take a.
Do you need any help?
No,
Okay.
I got it.
Okay. Well, thank you so very much
Thank
for
you.
the great dinner and the great food.
Thank you so much for
Okay.
coming and trying all of the different foods.
Bye,
It's a
Olivia.
blast. Bye, Noah.
Bye, kids.
Bye,
We'll see you
Hamburger
next
Man.
time.
Bye, Hamburger Man. Wow, kids. Thank you so much for coming. This has been Olivia's Diner. We have been very happy to show you all of our different food flavorings from around the world. Thanks. All right, we'll see you guys again. Bye. See you next time. Bye. Happy eating. I hope it tastes sweet. Bye. Okay. Gotta do some dishes now. Doo-doo-doo, and put away the foods. And clean this over here. And I'm cleaning up. Clean it up and clean it up. And I'm gonna turn this on because I like the sound it makes while I clean.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!